In this demonstration, we will show how TermSet can enrich SharePoint documents with accurate and consistent metadata. Our library shown here contains hundreds of case study documents. But the valuable information about our customers and products are locked inside the documents. For example, we have when the case study was published, the name of our customer and their location, product information, and information about the sector of the case study itself. TermSet automates a discovery of metadata in your SharePoint content. I can create a new discovery configuration job. Then I simply need to tell TermSet where to look. What type of documents we would like to discover. We then have some options around discovery. If we have existing taxonomies within the organization, we can utilize those as part of the discovery process. Here are the advanced options for the TermSet discovery phase. By keeping Natural Language Discovery selected, TermSet will look within your content and suggest and build new taxonomies and entities. We can also do sentiment and language analysis. So we will score the documents on either their positive or negative sentiment, and we're also able to tag the documents with the language that they're written in. We also do summarizations, so we can take a large document and summarize them into a number of sentences and apply that as metadata. Finally, we also have some options around advanced pattern matching. We have a number of default patterns, for example, GBP value, Swift codes, and USD value. As a customer, you can also define your own patterns, for example, British Standards and ISO. I'll save my configuration, and then when I'm ready, I can begin processing the discovery phase. With our discovery phase complete, we can now begin the enrichment process. The first stage of which is to build our new custom auto-generated taxonomies. For each of the entities that we discovered in the discovery phase, we will be able to create a custom taxonomy in the SharePoint Term Store. Here we have default pattern matches, and down here are all the entities that TermSet itself has found. So company names, cities, people's names, technical terms, and so on. For each of these, I can create a mapping directly into the SharePoint TermSet. I can put it into any group I wish. I can change the name of this, or I could add to an existing TermSet with the terms we've just discovered. Here I'm going to create the city. I can see the data it's going to add to my TermSet. And then finally, I can actually create the new SharePoint TermSet automatically by hitting Apply. After a few moments, if I go into the SharePoint Term Store, I can see a new group called Auto-Generated. Within here are all our custom taxonomies that TermSet has built for us. The next phase of the enrichment process is for us to assign the correct site columns to our document libraries. Here we can see the entities that have been matched for each of the topics we've discovered. The final stage of the enrichment process is to apply the metadata tags to the documents themselves. Here we can see all of the tags that we can apply to the case study library. I'll select all and start with the tagging process by hitting Apply. Once the tagging process is complete, we can return to our document library to see all of our case studies now fully enriched, with all of the metadata that we chose. For more information or a free trial, please visit termset.com.